Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by turning on reminders and choosing where they live. Open Calendar and sign in, then create a reminder rather than an event so Google tracks it differently. Choose the date and time, and set a repeat pattern if needed. Once done, pick the account where reminders should appear and confirm the notification type, push or email. This prevents reminders from getting lost across multiple calendars and ensures they surface where you check first. Now refine how reminders behave so they match your workflow. Use custom recurrence to set daily, weekdays only, or monthly by date versus day. That way tasks repeat correctly. Add descriptive notes, a location, or an attached file to give context at glance. Then open calendar settings to change default notification lead times so you get alerts 10 or 30 minutes before. Make sure to adjust per calendar if you use multiple accounts so timing stays consistent. Finish by managing reminders when they appear. Mark them done to archive progress or snooze for a later alert. If a reminder doesn't show, first verify calendar visibility and that the correct account is selected. Then check sync is on and notification permissions are granted. If problems persist, force a sync, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. This fixes most sync or notification issues. Finally, make small timing tweaks to default alerts so reminders become reliably useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.